First of all, I want to make it clear that this video is not sponsored by Cashify, nor do I have any grudge or any other thoughts about this brand. I'm just a consumer of the products from this brand and I'm making this video purely for awareness. This MacBook Air I bought from Cashify, and some of the other mobile phones that I reviewed on this channel also, the refurbished mobile phones, all are purchased from the Cashify site itself. I even sold some of my own mobile phones to the Cashify as well. So I have a very good experience overall and understand how good or bad it can be to buy mobile phones and laptops from Cashify. In this video, I'm going to discuss whether you can buy refurbished mobile phones or not, followed by do these refurbished products come with genuine parts or not? And also, if you're planning to buy anything from Cashify, what are the things you need to take care of? What about the return policy and other details? So don't skip this video at any point because every part I'm sharing here is very important. Now, first start with the question, can you buy refurbished devices or not? The one word answer to this question is it depends on your needs. Here is a good example to help you understand better. Let's say you are planning to buy a Pro Max iPhone. If you want to buy a brand new one, you need to pay more than 1 lakh. On the refurbished websites, it's almost coming to, I can say, close to 50 to 60% of the price currently it's there on the online, and also with a 6-month warranty included. Of course, it varies from website to website. I'm purely talking about the Cashify here. Let's discuss second scenario. You want a mobile phone at a cheap price just to use it as a secondary device. You just want a working mobile phone in this case, and you want that trust, if any problems will occur in future, so a 6-month warranty is decent for you. In these cases, a refurbished device is a perfect choice. On the other hand, if you're planning to use a mobile phone for long term, you can still go with the refurbished, but since these devices are already opened and repaired, it's highly unpredictable how they will perform in the long run. So for long-term usage, it's not always a good choice. In contrast, if you want a secondary phone or even a primary phone for a short period like 8 to 12 months and you're okay with that changing it later, a refurbished product is a good option. But there are some things you need to take care before making the payment, which I'll also cover in this video. Here comes the next question. Do refurbished devices comes with genuine parts? For this question, the answer is it's not transparent. We cannot predict honestly because we never know what parts they were changed in the mobile phones, and we never know the past history of that mobile phone either. Where they got that mobile phone. Any person sold them or they bought it from different websites. But it's 100% sure that all the refurbished devices are opened and inspected, and somehow the internal parts are changed. They check the internal components, the parts, if anything, or needed to repair, they'll repair it and then they sell it. This is how actually the refurbished market works currently. Now, when it comes to the parts quality, here comes the another question. Whether they use only the original parts? The answer is not always, because these persons are also want to make some profit. I can say not some more profit from you. So why would they choose the original parts when cheaper alternatives are readily available in the market? Previously, I had a bad experience with the OnePlus 5 mobile phone where I changed the display. So in short, not all refurbished mobile phones comes with genuine parts. Now here comes the next question. What to take care of while buying from Cashify? Return policy and service support. Let me show you practically by opening the website. That way you will get a better idea. This MacBook that you are seeing right now is purchased in superb condition from Cashify itself. I already uploaded a lot of videos about this. So this is how the website looks like. So now you go to the buy refurbished devices. I'm going with refurbished mobile phones. From here, I'll choose the iPhone 15 Plus only. As you can see, this is how the page looks like if you select one product. So basically, while buying from Cashify, you will see 3 conditions for any device, no matter what you are buying. First is fair, another one is good, and next thing is superb condition. And below that, you can see the storage options. Depending on the model, these 3 are going to be changed, and even the colors as well. So if you're buying anything, I highly recommend choosing the superb condition model. Even I also bought this MacBook Air in superb condition. So if you purchase it the superb condition models, you don't need to look for next 1 to 2 years with that quality. I mean, it looks fabulously good, no scratches, nothing. It looks like brand new. Also, if you look at the price differences between these three conditions, I'll choose the 128 GB model only. You can observe the price as well. Fair is 46,099, good is 48,499, and superb is 53,999. The price difference between these three conditions is very minimal. Not only that, even if you pay the full amount with the help of UPI or other transactions, you will get another some discount. So I highly recommend you that if in case you are buying anything from Cashify, superb condition is the go-to option. Now here comes the next question. What about the return period and service support? Cashify offers a 15-day return or replacement policy. So as you can see here for this mobile also, it says 15 days refund. If you scroll down and if you see where here it is, yeah, replacement policy, you can see here within 15 days of delivery, you can raise a request for return or replacement if you don't like the mobile phone. Even after 15 days, if you want to return that mobile phone, yes, you can, but the price is going to be somewhat cutted. So it depends on your usage and the condition of the mobile phone. So I highly suggest you that if in case you want, you can go and purchase the mobile phone and you can use it for 1 week. If you're okay with that, you can continue, otherwise you can return that. And one more thing, when you raise the return request option, they'll give you two options here. One is you can return this device by going to the nearby Cashify store, or you can raise the request with the help of online. I mean, a person will come to your address and they pick up your mobile phone and they'll send that to the warehouse. I personally returned previous products, I mean the mobile phone and even the MacBook Air. I have dent one which I already uploaded a video. Through the offline pickup I did, I mean a delivery guy will come to our house and they pick up the mobile phone and they send back to the warehouse. The refund process for this, it takes around 15 to 20 days, so you need to wait that much long. Of course, you will get all the updates when it comes to the mobile phone. I mean, the status of the mobile phone. I never visited any local store for this return policy, so I don't have any experience on this. But they mentioned on the call that if I return the product by visiting the local store, I might get the refund within 1 to 2 days or sometimes even within hours. I mean, instantly. Though I'm not sure about that, but that option exists. Just let me know in the comments, have you ever gone through the offline store and sold your mobile phone or returned the mobile phone that you purchased from Cashify? Just let me know in the comments. And for service support, yes, it's there. You get the support just like when you're buying a brand new device. There is no difference when it comes to this service, I can say. So that's the video. I hope I covered all the most common and hyped questions about purchasing refurbished devices from Cashify. If you have any doubts, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'll help you. See, there are also some other websites similar to Cashify, but I personally don't trust them unless they also have offline stores. If you know any such platforms with that kind of support, let me know in the comments. I'll check them and try purchasing from them and make another awareness video like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already. I regularly post videos like this that creates awareness. See you again in the next video.